My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups by the website mindingmeld.com. This site, mindingmeld.com, is a dangerous site that attacks Google Chrome browser and other browsers. So it tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. Anyway, if you see these pop-ups by this site, mindingmeld.com, you ought to be very careful and not to interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups may attack both Mac computers and Windows computers. These pop-ups promote installation of unwanted browser extensions, which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. So what to do if you have installed any extensions like that? You need to access the menu of your browser, select More Tools, then Extensions, or go directly to Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. If you find anything else that is suspicious here, such as junk extensions in Chrome, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to restart your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may obtain on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.